Serious connoisseurs of the Scottish spirit will want to pop into Cadenhead's Whiskey Shop. Founded in 1842, Cadenhead's prides itself on bottling fine whiskey from casks straight from the best distilleries, without all the compromises that come with more profitable mass production.
So this is whiskey from the source?
Yes, this is like coming to the farmer to get your milk rather than the supermarket. It's warts and all, and we like the warts.
So can a whiskey novice like me actually taste the difference?
Well, I would like to think so. I don't know classical music, but if I went to a bad orchestra, I think I'd notice the difference if I went to a good orchestra.
Okay.
Now, if I pour for you something directly from the cask, and you try that, without water at first, that's cask strength, straight from the barrel.
Whoa.
That's like a very hot bath. You don't get in
Yes.
there, you put your big toe in, so just take a little sip.
Oh, it's much more vibrant.
Yes. This is just water, the secret ingredient. This is going to open our whiskey up for us. Just like on a dry day after the rain has fallen, your garden is so much more aromatic. Never ice. Ice will close it down. Okay, now try that.
Oh, it's fresher.
Yes. Adding water to whiskey is essential. I can't tell people if they put pineapple juice in their whiskey that they're not enjoying it. If they are, but they're wasting quality whiskey if they are. Water is all you need.